Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to clean interior of your vehicle, like door panels, things like that. So stay with us, we'll show you how to make that nasty door panel on this 2014 Mercedes look like brand new. We just did half of the seat, you can check the difference out. We have the video in the description below, so feel free to check it out. Also, we'll show you how to clean the carpets as well. This one is coming next. So, you can see that panel, it's pretty bad. Because we bought the car from a car auction, wrecked. And it needed quite a bit of work, so we had our dirty hands on the panel all the time, coming in and out of the shop. So now, we're ready with it and it's time to clean it. So ours, they have the leather finish on top, so we'll be using leather cleaner. It's very important to be pH balanced cleaner, otherwise you dry your leather and you'll start cracking. We put some in a bottle. All the materials will be in the description of the video. We need to get, okay, warm water, one wet towel, one dry microfiber towel and a spray bottle. Okay, this one, the silk shine will be towards the end, so stay with us. You're going to see how it's going to look. Silk shine is the one that doesn't have too much shine, but it gives that fresh look to the car. So we're going to spray here on the panel now, but it's very important never to spray the window switch or any switches, okay, because if you do, okay, what's going to happen actually, if you do that quite often, you might damage your window switch. Okay, so check it out, okay, how everything starts cleaning now. So we're going to go all over it now. Okay, like these spots right here. Okay, check it out, everything coming out. Also, you always have to go on the inside, like right here. You can see how nasty it is there. And on Mercedes, never ever use anything like acid related to clean stuff, because those are rubber switches and they will peel off in the future if you don't treat it right. And we'll show you also, if you use dressing for top and you don't do one step, you might expect your switches to peel again, so you have to be careful with that. We'll show you how exactly it needs to be done. You can go in the window switches just with the drier end of the towel and just careful work there so you don't get any moisture inside of them. This is number one reason people spilling things or cleaning window switches that will cause the switch not to work in the future. So we get the dry microfiber towel, we're going to dry everything. And next we're going to apply the dressing. Okay, check out the water, what it looks like from one door panel. So now it's getting dry, you can see it looks good, but you have to preserve it, so you need to apply silk shine. They have different ones as well. Okay, this one is you can see it's sprayable, 100% dry to the touch. It has UVA and UVB protection. This is very, very important to be pH balanced. Non-greasy. We're going to apply on a microfiber applicator now, a little bit. Never ever apply if you have cloth. Okay, just on leather and plastic stuff you can for door panels or dashes. Okay, and we start applying it now. You can see it gets shiny, but not that nasty shiny. I don't like that shiny stuff. And it absorbs in the plastic and the leather. And works amazing. It smells really good too. Nothing sponsored here guys, we've been using those chemicals for a long time since we had the detail shop. So we found their chemicals and we like them a lot. Okay, so we're going to do that to the rest of the door. and you see what else we need to do towards the end. Okay, we're ready now. Next, you need to get a dry microfiber towel. You need to go over it one more time. So if you have any excessive amount, you'll get it. It's very important to do the switches. That way, it's not going to absorb in the rubber, in the rubber layer. And you can see how everything looks like brand new again. So you can see, looks way better, right? Like brand new again. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. If you want to see that Mercedes that we're rebuilding, check it out on the channel. The video is growing really fast. 2014 out of a car auction. So thank you. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.